Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever tried using an AI image generator for something specific, only to get a picture that's, well, a little bit off? Maybe you asked for 3 red stuffed animals and got 2, or a plate with no bananas, and the AI gave you a whole bunch anyway. It's a common problem, but a new research paper introduces a system designed to act like a smart editor that fixes these mistakes automatically. It's called GenPilot, and you can think of it as a team of AI agents that improves your text prompt to get the image just right. So how does this AI team work its magic? First, it takes your original prompt and generates an initial image. Then, an analyzer agent scrutinizes that image, comparing it to your text to spot any errors or inconsistencies. It essentially asks, does this picture actually show what the prompt described? Once it finds a mistake, a refinement agent rewrites that part of the prompt to be more clear and specific. For example, it might change 6 baozi to exactly 6 freshly steamed baozi to really emphasize the number. GenPilot then generates a new batch of images using these revised prompts, and a scorer agent looks at them all to pick the prompt that produced the best result. This whole process repeats itself in a loop, getting closer and closer to the perfect image with each round. And the results are pretty impressive. On this page, you can see the original dall-e 3 output for a complex prompt versus the one guided by GenPilot. Notice how GenPilot correctly generates the 3 stuffed animals and even handles the tricky request for a plate with no bananas. The system works across many different image generation models, not just one. This table shows how GenPilot consistently improved the scores for models like Stable Diffusion, dall-e 3, and others. Look at these other examples where the original models struggled with counting objects, spatial reasoning, or unrealistic concepts. GenPilot, however, consistently manages to generate the correct images, showing its strength in understanding complex requests. So to recap, what does this all mean? GenPilot is a major step forward in making text-to-image AI more accurate and reliable. It's a plug-and-play system that can enhance many existing models without expensive retraining. The key idea is that instead of just trying to build a better image generator, the researchers built a better prompt generator that works alongside it. This helps bridge the semantic gap, the difference between what we humans write and what the AI actually understands. In the future, technology like this could be built right into the apps we use every day. Imagine creative tools for artists and designers that don't just follow commands, but actively collaborate with you to refine your ideas. It represents a shift towards AI that doesn't just generate, but also analyzes, corrects, and improves, making it a much more powerful creative partner. That's all for today on Summarize Science. If you found this look at the future of AI image generation interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more.